Hi, my name's Susan. I wanted to make this quick video to help show you how to improve your ranking on Google. I'm at your website here and I go ahead and copy your URL to this tool that I use to check your heading tags. These heading tags are important because they tell Google what your site's about. So if Google knows what your site's about, then they know what to rank it for. So you'll see here I put in your URL and I went down here to your H1 tag. So right now you see that you actually don't have any H1 tags. So the H1 is like the main heading on your website, for example, which would be over here under this plumbing solutions, or even up here where your phone number is. It's the first thing Google sees on your page to determine what it's about. And the other item that kind of goes hand in hand is the metadata. So the metadata is over here when you do a Google search. For example, I did a Google search for Sonoma County plumbers. The metadata title is this blue line, so all these blue lines, and you can see the top guys are talking about Sonoma County plumbers. Right now, your title page is not bad. You have meta title, Santa Rosa and Sonoma County Plumber, Veracity Plumbing, which is not bad at all. But you really need to add your meta description and your H1 tag to be something similar with all those keywords to make it crystal clear to Google what your site's about. Just this small little change will really help you rank. And then also, if you ever want to check your rank, don't use Google, because a lot of business owners will Google their company and they'll keep Googling, and then Google's going to start moving you up because they see what you're looking for. Instead, you want to use a third-party tool. We actually use Rank Tracker. If you want, you can get a free subscription for a month if you want. But anyway, you would put in your URL and then also add your keywords, and then it actually pulls up your ranking and it checks it every single day. So right now you can see that you're ranking like on page about three right now. But imagine what you can do if you're ranking on page 1 for all your keywords. So if you have any questions, just reply to this email. Let's get you on the first page of Google for all your keywords. Thank you for your time, and I wish you success.